I overtake? What? I'm not sure. Wake up! Look at that window in front. Look at his window. He can't see anything.
He can't see.
His front window is literally like...
He's literally got like a circle where he's looking through.
Oh my goodness, that's terrible.
He's
wiping it as he goes. That's so dangerous. What a numpty.
Why he's driving so slow?
Probably, yeah. Oh my goodness.
It's part of more than a centenary of history, a pattern deeply rooted in the wool-rich heritage, but also the icon of a new journey representing...
No. Saying, oh, you in a rush, mate? I get a phone call back.
After 5:30, and she told me that it couldn't do the 10th of November, which is a week on Saturday, which she just offered you. Who the f*** did I talk to? Moron?
Oh, clearly, he talked to someone who didn't have the same. Do you know what? There's no.
You're a man.
No.
Change the way you recruit with Change Exchange. Search online for Change Exchange Recruitment Marketplace. If and when that election comes. So I don't think he's the same way as I am.
That's 2 days on the bounce. Someone set that red light camera off.
Transcript of the interview and point out all of the errors and false claims.
Obviously, given your job, this is
going there is not going to help, is it?
Irregularly. What is it like in your...
Oh, that's my gap. Where am I supposed to go now then?
As he's been president, and it's interesting. He's very different in a one-on-one interview than he is when he's at a bigger party. In a lot of his interviews, it's how he's been in the past when I sat down with him.
Hello.
And how he was again yesterday.
What are you doing?
Your exchange on climate change.
This isn't 2 lanes.
Very high levels of intelligence.
What are you doing? Pulled to the side for the fire engine. You pushed in. Oh, people do that, man. Seriously.
Smart indoor camera. Check on your home from your phone, wherever you are, and join over 1 million people using Hive products. Search Hive to discover more. Hive.
Oh yeah.
Let's get living.
I'm pretty sure it says left only. You can't sneak around.
Right, team. I'm going out for coffee.
Oh dear. What a clusterfuck. Oh, it's your right away, mate. You're on it's your right away. You're on a roundabout. Silly penis.
Entering average speed check zone.
And reviews. Keep questioning.
Not really a bus, really, are you?
Explosive devices sent to Barack Obama and Hillary Clinton.
Nice.
You fucking arsehole.
Where's he going? Is he lad in there?
Jesus Christ. Yeah, but it didn't even signal.
Come on, you bunch of slow. Wake up!
To the best of my knowledge, we didn't have a vacant or an empty seat. I'm sure you would have reported.
Alright, mate, help yourself. Alright, no, you're not bothered. Alright, bye.
As an example of the 11 candidates we campaigned with during the last week.
Look at this cluster.
9.
Oh, nearly. Nearly.
I mean, the difficulty with...
Will you stop for the red light? Nope. Jump off the road onto the pavement. Right in the roadworks. Nice tidy SL.
Discontent Andrea Jenkins, who of course succeeded Ed Balls Evermore now in 2015.
Mr. Speaker, my constituency voted 60% to leave the EU. Within 48 hours.
You had all that time to get in that lane. All that time, and you wait till the last minute. Well done, mate. Kids. Oh, that was close. Could have stopped there, but no, just stop right round the corner. Could have gone up your arse. Twat. What are you doing? Indicators, please. Merge. Oh, was it a bump or something? I don't want to run the police officer over. Oh, look at that smash right in the middle.
Oh,
Yikes. That's terrible.
that's a really bad one.